Hello, and welcome to today's in-depth review of the Realme GT5 smartphone. I'm Ash, your host from C4 Retake, and in this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the Realme GT5, discussing its design, display, performance, and more. Let's dive right in. Design. Starting with the design, the Realme GT5 stands out with its unique camera visor at the back, reminiscent of Google's Playbook. While larger than Google's version, it provides stability when placed on a surface. The camera array houses a visual representation of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, surrounded by RGB lights. The rear features Miracle Glass, offering a glossy finish prone to fingerprints. Another color option, Star Mist, provides a matte finish. The phone's build is reminiscent of older Samsung models with glossy plastic accents. Hardware and display. Moving on to hardware and display, the Realme GT5 boasts a 6.74-inch 10-bit OLED panel with a 144Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ support, and a peak brightness of 1400 nits. It provides a sharp and vibrant visual experience. The stereo speaker setup complements this, delivering loud and rich sound quality. Performance. In terms of performance, the Realme GT5 is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, with a dedicated graphics chip to enhance frame rates. However, the phone's cooling system faced challenges during stress testing, causing it to shut down mid-test. While Realme claims the ability to keep 76 apps in memory with the 24GB RAM variant, real-world testing indicated a limit of around 46 apps. Nevertheless, the device offers impressive specs, including 24GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage. Charging. One of the standout features of the GT5 is its support for 240W charging. However, the actual charging time appears to be slower than expected, taking about 14 minutes to fully charge. This is still faster than the 80 minutes required by the 150W version. Software. On the software front, the Realme GT5 runs Realme UI 4 based on Android 13. Although it comes with pre-installed apps, most of them are uninstallable, offering a cleaner user experience. Notably, the phone introduces various multitasking features, such as floating windows and the ability to run two apps simultaneously. Camera. In terms of camera performance, the Realme GT5 retains the camera setup from its predecessor, including a 50-megapixel primary sensor and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor. The primary camera offers good image quality with reliable dynamic range and color accuracy. However, the ultra-wide camera is more average, occasionally struggling to match the primary camera's quality. The phone also includes a macro lens for close-up shots. On the video front, the GT5 supports 4K 60 frames per second recording. Unboxing and pricing. Before we conclude, let's briefly discuss the unboxing experience. Inside the box, you'll find the Realme GT5, along with a screen protector, soft case, and a 240W Superbook charger. The pricing of the Realme GT5 starts at 29 renminbi and 99 cents for the base model, with the 240W variant, featuring 24GB of RAM and 1TB storage, priced at 37 renminbi and 99 cents. It's worth noting that this marks a significant increase compared to its predecessor. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Realme GT5 offers impressive hardware, a vibrant display, and a unique design. However, there are some concerns regarding its cooling system and charging times. The software experience is generally smooth, with some useful multitasking features. The camera setup delivers good results, with the primary camera performing admirably. The Realme GT5 caters to those looking for top-tier specs, but the price increase from the previous generation may raise some eyebrows. As always, it's essential to weigh the features against your specific needs before making a decision. That wraps up our detailed review of the Realme GT5. If you found this video helpful, Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.